Here's AgriNB's new job bank, designed for all employers and workers in the agriculture industry in New Brunswick. Our platform offers a unique filtering system, allowing you to search for jobs based on duration, seasonality, and even the language spoken. Creating an account is easy. Just add your business's information and click the link in the email you get. As an employer, once you're logged in, you can post job openings free of charge. You will have access to your own account section where you can update your profile, post job openings, and view your current job postings. The job list is user-friendly and easy to navigate, making the job search process efficient for workers. We will also feature wage subsidy jobs and special programs in the future. Sign up today and start your journey to finding the right fit for your organization.